I'm just smoking a trippy stick on this one. OG hash oil. It's cool.
Roll a joint, roll another one. When it's all said and done, I'll be at the top, bitch, cause I hustle a lot. Them cars, we pulling them off the lot. Don't even test drive it before I cop. Just boarded a yacht, or at the crap table in Vegas. The dealer saying how he admire my watch. I'm placing my wager, don't even care how much paper I blow. Cause how to get this money and stay on. Couple things that I know, I'm blowing that stink by the O. My weed so strong, I swear to God, you would think it's cologne. I go anywhere in the world and just make it my home. Stand at the highest level, but I ain't make it alone. Now that my money right, them suckers keep thinking I'm wrong. But I'm just switching lanes, foot off the brake and I'm gone. If you ain't talking money, homie, you can't get a call. Cause this a motherfucking life that you can't live at all. I'm getting high while I drive, I ain't thinking of y'all. Ride with the top down and smoke weed with my niggas. Yeah, I just wanna ride in my ride with the top down and smoke weed with my niggas. Still rolling weed on my double XL. Only difference is that's me on the cover. Once in a while call my little sister, tell her I love her. Cause she can get crazy in this industry. Most your friends become your enemies. That's why I stay down with the ones that's been with me. The niggas who started and they down the ride to the end with me. Make sure the positive energy keep flowing. All the weed keep rolling and all of us gon' get high out the sky. We gon' keep from falling. Niggas keep hating, but baby I'ma keep ballin'. A lot of y'all turn fakers. You found out what I make on. Now I'm buying the States, going on private island vacations, flying on private planes. I'm cool with the quality. Let me roll something, put on a movie, let my girl watch it. At the dealer high, looking at Ferrari options. Just the everyday life when you young and bouncing. I just wanna ride in my ride with the top down and smoke weed with my niggas. Yeah, I just wanna ride in my ride with the top down. Smoke weed with my niggas.
It's a cohesive thing, but the focus is still, you know, getting my thing out there, and to have people understand, like, this is what we're bringing. This is the world that we're creating. And it doesn't exist without all of us, you know.
I couldn't help but notice your pain.
My pain?
It runs deep. Share it with me.
They'll never take me alive, I'm getting high with my 4-5. Cocked on these suckers, time to die. Even as a youngster, causing ruckus on the back of the bus. I was a fool all through high school, kicking up dust, but now I'm labeled as a troublemaker. Who can you blame? Smoking weed help me take away the pain. So I'm hopeless, rolling down the freeway, swerving. Don't worry, I'm about to crash up on the curb, cause my vision's blurry. Maybe if they tried to understand me, what should I do? I had to feed my fucking family, what else could I do? Or be a thug? I'm slanging with the homies, fuck hanging with them phonies in the club. Got my mind on danger, never been a stranger to homicide. My city's full of gangbangers and drive-bys. Why do we die at an early age? He was so young, but still a victim of the 12 gauge. My memories of a corpse, mind full of sick thoughts, and I ain't going back to court. So fuck what you thought. I'm drinking Hennessy, running from my enemies. Will I let them be 23 and so much pain?